Morning, Abotai. As we're closer to Chag HaShavuot, it's important to know some of the halachot of Yom Tov Sheni Shel Galuyot, which is the second day of Yom Tov in the diaspora outside of Eretz Yisrael. We know that the Chachamim were mitakin for various reasons to have a second day of Yom Tov, only outside of Eretz Yisrael. In Eretz Yisrael, there's only one day of Yom Tov, with the exception, obviously, of Rosh Hashanah, in which case, in Eretz Yisrael, they also keep 2 days, but that's for a totally different reason. Now, when the Chachamim instituted the second day of Yom Tov, the second day of Yom Tov is identical to the first day with regards to Tefillah, with regards to Melacha. Everything is the same, besides for 2 things. The Gemara speaks about it in Masechet Betzah, as well as in Maran Shulchan Aruch Siman Tav Tzadivav, that there's only 2 differences. Number 1 being with regards to a person who is cholesh in bo sakana, a person who is ill with a non-life-threatening illness, in which case melachot can be done on Yom Tov Rishon only al yedei goy for this person, whereas Yom Tov Sheni, even al yedei Yisrael. That's one difference. Difference number 2 is with regards to kivurat hamet. The Chachamim instituted that if a person passes away bar minan on the first day of Yom Tov, he can only be buried by goyim, whereas on the second day of Yom Tov, he may be buried even al yedei Yisrael. There's a lot of halachot involved over there also. That's only with regards to the burial, not driving, stuff like that. So put that on the side. It's not really so common, but those are the only 2 differences between Yom Tov Rishon and Yom Tov Sheni. Not only that, if you have a Ben Eretz Yisrael, an Israeli who comes to Chutz La'aretz for Yom Tov, he cannot do Melacha on the second day of Yom Tov in Chutz La'aretz. We'll speak about tomorrow, B'ezrat Hashem, a little bit more what he can do, but what he does on the second day of Yom Tov is, he wakes up in the morning, B'tzin'ah, in the privacy of his own room. He puts on Talit Utfilin, says Kaddeshni and Kriyat Shema, and then gets dressed in Bigdei Yom Tov, goes to shul, davens with the tzibur his own tefillah shel hol, but when the tzibur gets up to Hallel, it's preferable that he stands up and says Chatzi Hallel or some Pirkei Tehillim along with them, so he's not nir'ah keporesh min tzibur, separating himself from the tzibur. That's with regards to that. Now there are several other halachot as well about what is and is not mutar for an Israeli on Yom Tov Sheni. B'ezrat Hashem, we'll speak about that more tomorrow. Have a wonderful day.